Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to reinstall Windows security in Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Reinstall your Windows security or Windows Defender on your Windows 11. Then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to right click on your start menu. In this, you will find Windows Terminal Admin. Just click on that. Click on yes to allow. After that, you need to type one of the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. Just select this, copy and press Ctrl V for paste and hit enter. That's it guys. After completion of this, just close this window. And once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can reinstall Windows Security or Windows Defender on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.